In this video, we unbox the Astro Gaming A20 Wireless. Alright guys, in this video we're unboxing the A20 Wireless by Astro Gaming. We're going to look around the box and see what it includes, the features, and we will go from there. Our first thing that we see here is this is for PS5, PS4, PC, and Mac. Alright, the A20 Wireless. Let's look around the box here. I mentioned in most of the Astro videos, if not all of them, is that their packaging is always on point. So here we go. So we have here tuned for Astro Audio V2 of 15 hours of battery life, long-lasting comfort. We have flip to mute microphone there. Let's look at the top of the box here. A20 Wireless Generation 2. Okay, and then down here, what do we have? We have A20 Wireless headset, flip to mute, A20 Gen 2 USB transmitter, multifunction button, 1.5 millimeter USB-A to USB-C cable, and that's what we have there for the box. All right, let's turn around. All right, guys, let's get to the unboxing here. Let's see what we got. Oh, this one is glued down. Okay. All right. Alright, so here we go. Astro A20 Wireless. We have the instructions at the very top. Okay, so we have that there. And we have the USB cable. Okay, we have that. Put that to the side. Then we have the headset here. Okay, so first thing I noticed is that these do not fold down. The ear pads do not fold down. They're just straight across. As far as the build is concerned, let's just look at that here. A20, it looks really nice. Let's see, does this have the flexible? This looks like it has the flexible technology. Let's see. Okay, so you have that. You have the mic for the flip to mute. You have that. The ear pads. Okay, so the ear pads, they don't look like they come off like an easy replacement like the A40s and the A50s do. Look like they're just built into the frame there. Okay, so you have the Astro logo at the top here. This is a beautiful headset. That much, that is for certain. So let's look at the bottom here. So you have the USB-C right there. Okay. And then you also have the wheel, the voice and the gaming wheel right there. Also here, see what we have. You have the EQ right there. And then you have the power right over here. Okay, so I think that's everything on the headset itself. Let's just look at the bottom to make sure we didn't miss anything. The USB Type-C, you have the gaming wheel and the voice. You have the EQ right here, and you have the power. Okay, of course the design looks absolutely beautiful for the headsets. Look at the top here. Astro at the very top. And we're gonna flip it this way just to make sure we have everything here covered. It's a beautiful headset. It's a beautiful headset. All right, guys, one more thing before we get to the sound test. It's actually, I almost forgot about this. So this is the USB dongle for that. Has a button here, a multi-function button. Just look around here, it has the, see if we can get a, okay, so you have the Astro logo there. Of course, the informationals right here on the back. All right, guys, this is an audio test of the Astro A20 wireless. Right now, currently walking around in Uncharted, and hopefully you can hear the sound quality of this headset. It was easy to plug it into the PlayStation 4 and set it up, but you just double tap to either blue or white, depending on the setting that you want. Blue is PlayStation, white will be PC settings.
Jesus, Elena, where are you?
I tried to connect it on my PC and my PC would not recognize it. So I don't know if it's locked to the PlayStation 4 only, but it specifically says PlayStation 4, 5, PC. So when I was trying to connect it to the PC, it would not recognize it. But this is what it sounds like on a PlayStation 4. And hope you guys enjoyed that sound test. All right, guys, one thing I wanted to mention is that if you're charging this headset, just look forward it to being about 5 hours for the charging time. Aside from that, the aesthetics on the headset is absolutely fantastic. It sounds really, really good with the 3 presets for the EQ. And also what I'll do is put some other videos here that you can check out. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe.